Welcome to Lesson 5, the ICP check. This is the first key workflow in the Audience Town platform. In this lesson, you'll see how to compare your traffic to your ideal customer profile and decide what to do next. This workflow answers a big strategic question. Is your marketing reaching the right home movers? The ICP check will show you how much overlap there is between your community's traffic and your ICP. ICP stands for Ideal Customer Profile. Think of it as a clear snapshot of the kind of customer you're trying to attract, including traits like demographics, financial attributes, family composition, and lifestyle. Start by writing down your ICP. For this community, what's the household income range that qualifies? What's the credit score? Are you reaching for current homeowners, renters, or both? What about home value, family composition, hobbies, career, or pets that may influence their home choice? It's important to check in with your sales team. They know who's actually buying, they'll have opinions. Next, open Audience Explorer. This is where you can see the makeup of your website visitors for the date range you choose. Look at the audience details in that range and compare what you see to the ICP you just defined. The goal isn't to glance at traffic volume. Strong traffic isn't enough. It's to ask whether the traffic makeup matches the customer profile you want. That comparison tells you whether your marketing is pulling in the intended buyer or someone else. This next step is the same, whether your audience matches or ICP or not. Go to Website Analytics and see where your best fit traffic is coming from. The move is simple. Maximize the channels, campaigns, and messages that are bringing in the right people. It's also helpful to look for channels that bring in the wrong audience so you can reallocate budget or effort. The loop is simple. Know your buyer, try to reach them, measure if it's working, and improve over time. You may need to revisit your channel strategy with partners and adjust until your traffic lines up more closely with your ICP. Your customer success manager can help. The ICP check in 3 steps. 1. Define your ICP with real attributes. 2. Compare to your actual website visitors. 3. Maximize what works, reallocate what doesn't. Next, we get into the view where you'll actually do most of this work, the live table.